Well, these dentures are digital, and I couldn't be more excited, happy with them. They actually feel just like normal, like it used to 10 years ago. I love the look of the dentures. I think they look great. They fit perfect. I have no problems at all with them. I was always worried about them, especially the bottom denture slipping, but I haven't had any problems like that at all. And I'm overall happy with the look of them, the feel of them, the fit of them. Everything to me is great. I love the look of these dentures. They look nothing like the old ones, for sure. My smile is brighter, and everybody I know seems quite happy with them. So my lower dentures didn't have very much suction at all. I was like a little nervous even speaking to people I didn't know, or worried that my denture would slip or fall or something. But I've never had to worry about that since I've had these digital dentures. I'm very happy and would recommend them to anybody. Okay, so the suction in my lower denture is perfect. I don't feel cautious about talking that they're going to slip or anything. The suction in them is really good, and almost as good as the top ones.
Now, did you know lower dentures never have suction?
Oh, they don't?
No.
Oh, well, I really, that's true. I haven't worried about them slipping or anything when I
Okay.
talk, since I have these ones. The other ones I was always, even put my hand to my mouth because I was worried that they were going to fall or slip or something, and somebody would notice that. I always was worried about it, but with these ones, I just felt they just feel normal, and I have a lot of suction actually in them. I don't worry at all about them slipping. I came on my initial visit. I came the first time. When I came back the second time, they were ready. That's how quick it was, and there was no pain, no anything like that, and I was just excited. I couldn't wait. A week later, I had them.
Yeah, not like the old ones. You gotta wait.
Yeah,
2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep going back to have them grinded down.
Yeah, and because they're digital now, I understand if my dog happens to eat them, I just have to come back and they'll have them ready again because it's all digital.
Well, actually, it happened to my great grandmother. She had them sitting on the table, and their poodle came up and broke them right now.
Yeah. Well, my sister's dog actually swallowed my sister's denture, so if she had had these, she could have came back and it would have been ready when she got here.
Hi, I'm Rosemary, and I'm here to talk about these printed dentures. What I love about them is they look so natural, and even the gums look very, very natural in comparison to my old dentures. These dentures have great suction, and what I like about it too is you don't have to wait a week to get dentures. You get it within a few hours. So you don't have to have teeth for a week. Look awful.
Do you want me to talk and tell you how much I love my teeth?
Actually,
What an amazing person you are and how you've changed my life? I'm not going to cry no more.